Hello everyone, welcome to the detailed setup guide for Yarbo. You should receive one box. The box contains the lawn mower module. Use a pair of scissors to cut and remove the belts on the lawn mower module box. Cut the edge of the box. Here are all the necessary items you will find in the foam layer packaging. Lift the lock on both sides. Hold the handles and pull the snowblower module, disconnect it from the universal body. Unscrew the cover and remove it with Allen key 1. Pull the power cable and disconnect it with the snowblower module. Locate the anti-slip studs. Find a pair of pilers to loosen and unscrew the studs. The package includes wide and narrow track pads. Please select and install them in the corresponding positions. Take a trackpad and tighten the 2 screws onto the track with the Phillips head bit provided. Repeat the previous step and fill in both tracks. Remove the rear cover. Press the power button to turn off Yarbo. Remove the anti-theft bolts from battery cover on both sides. Then remove the battery cover by grasping both sides with your hands. Disconnect and take out the battery from the universal body. Find the rear ultrasonic radar connection cable and the connection tool. Thread the cable through the connection tool. Align this connection tool and thread through the hole on the right side of universal body. Please ensure that the cable is threaded in the correct direction. Once the cable is fully passed through, take out the connection tool. Grasp the cable and thread it through the hole in the upper inner corner. Drag the cable from the rear of the universal body. Take out the new rear cover. Align the blue sign and connect the rear ultrasonic radar connection cable to the new rear cover. Align and screw in the 4 new rear cover bolts to the new rear cover. Grab the handles to take out the lawn mower module. Place it next to the universal body. Remove the paper protector. Align the blue sign on the rear ultrasonic radar connection cable and the hole. Insert the cable. And make sure you hear or feel a click. Locate the shafts on the universal body and the socket in the lawnmower. Lean the lawnmower module slightly with handles to connect it with the universal body. Align the power cable and the hole. Insert the cable and make sure you hear or feel a click. Place and adjust the plastic connection cover on the connection part of Yarbo. Please make sure the 2 locks are down. Please do remember, push the handle of lawn mower module until you hear or feel a click. Place the battery inside the universal body. Open the lid on the battery and reconnect the power connection cable to the battery. Place back the battery cover and screw in the anti-theft bolts. Press the power switch button to turn on Yarbo.
Hi, nice to meet you. Please wait 40 seconds for Yarbo to initiate.